so we're finally getting all the last things ready to go. Our house is pretty much packed, ready for our big trip to Tennessee. The house closes in 2 weeks, and we just bought the travel trailer. So we just picked it up. It's nice and clean. It's big enough for all of us to enjoy the trip now that the kids are still little. But it's gonna be different from living in a big old house to a little trailer. So stay tuned. If you have any questions or anything, go ahead and ask. Otherwise, we will see you on the road. All right, bye. Say, this is a pack rat.
This is a pack rat. I'm candy.
You want to put all of our stuff in there?
Yeah.
Hey, Max, where are we going?
What are we doing? In the sea.
All right, this bad boy is getting picked up. There it is. There we go. All right, we're done. Ready to go.
it goes.